Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're tackling one of the toughest cleaning challenges every home faces: pet messes and deep carpet grime. Meet the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, Model 3588F, a professional-grade upright carpet cleaner built for homes with pets, stains, and high-traffic floors that demand powerful, fast-drying results. Let's start with design. The ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus carries a modern, robust profile that looks as professional as it performs. The transparent water tanks make it easy to see clean and dirty water levels at a glance, while the ergonomic handle and lightweight frame keep maneuvering effortless across rooms and furniture. The wide cleaning path covers more area per pass, and the built-in carry handle makes it surprisingly portable for an upright deep cleaner. Now for performance, and this is where BISSELL truly shines. Powered by dual DirtLifter PowerBrushes, the machine delivers a deep, scrubbing action that pulls embedded dirt, hair, and stains from the fibers of your carpet. Combined with HeatWave technology, it maintains consistent water temperature throughout the cleaning process for optimal results. It's like having a professional carpet wash system, right at home. Pause here, the Pro Plus difference comes from the upgraded attachments and the quick dry feature. With the Express Clean mode, carpets dry in about 30 minutes, perfect for homes with kids or pets that can't wait around. You also get a pet upholstery tool for fur-covered furniture and a tough stain tool for tackling high-traffic spots, stairs, and upholstery messes. The hose attachment system is quick and easy, allowing you to switch from floor cleaning to spot cleaning without disassembling anything. The large capacity tanks mean fewer refills during cleaning, and the SmartMix system automatically blends the right amount of solution for every job, saving detergent and time. In daily use, the ProHeat 2X Revolution feels intuitive, fast, and incredibly efficient. Whether you're refreshing rugs, removing pet odors, or tackling years of dirt buildup, this machine brings professional power with easy home operation. If you're serious about keeping your carpet spotless and fresh, the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus delivers deep cleaning, fast drying, and complete pet-focused performance. Buy it on Amazon and make your floors look brand new again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more top-tier home tech reviews on Gadgetverse.